guys, what's up, the Bus Channel here, and today we're going to unbox a parcel from China. So yeah, let's get into it. Man, it is tiny. Actually, I don't think it is the one from China. I've got a feeling it could be something else. If I can get into it. Yep, it is something else. It's the one from America, not China. Come on. Maybe I should go and get some scissors. It is not the one from China, guys. It is the one from America. Here we go. Let's just open it up. I think the one from China is coming tomorrow. So here we have a FORTNITE Battle Bus pin. So yeah, pretty cool. Got pretty neat detail on, I got to admit. So yeah, this is the one that came all the way from America. I'll just grab a thumbnail. There we go. So yeah, here's the front. And here's the back. So yeah, first time I got a FORTNITE Battle Bus thing. And yeah, that is pretty cool. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace out.